Last week, we have introduced Skya SOP Manager, and we have created standard operating procedure for machine setup on last Friday. Today, we will be using the same SOP Manager bot to create the standard operating procedure for quality control department. Next, let's click on this one, as mentioned last Friday. So customize SOP to align with our business goals. And there are some questions being asked. Number 1, business goal. So we are trying to look at quality side. So the goal is to improve quality of our products. Number 2, which department or process need SOP alignment? Quality control. 3, what pain points or inefficiency are you currently facing? Inconsistent inspection and manual log. Are there any regulatory or industry frameworks that apply? And yes, and it is food manufacturer. So ISO 9001, SMETA, and HACCP. Submit. So here we go. We got the customized standard operating procedure for our food manufacturing. Same thing as last week. We have the purpose, scope, definition, responsibilities. In this case, we got the QC manager, QC inspectors, and the production supervisors. And there are some procedure in terms of inspections on preparation, raw material inspection, in-process checks, final product inspection, and non-conformance management. Last bit is the compliance in terms of references, as we have mentioned just now, and their revision history here. So let's take a look at the next step. Here, digital QC logbook implementation. There's some staff training module, internal audit plan. Here it says, would you like a visual flowchart or inspection checklist template next? I think this is a good idea. So let's request for visual flowchart. This may take a while. Okay, so this is the visual flowchart. And next, we might like to look at the inspection checklist template. So let's request. Enter. And as we can see here, there's a quality control inspection checklist for food manufacturing. You got the date, you got the inspected by the person, the batch number, product number, the shift, and the process of a section, each section. This one is focusing on the raw material inspection, and then the in-process checks and final product inspection. And of course, you can add in more or less on this. This is just some guidance. And then the last bits on non-conformance findings. This is the further add-on you can consider for the future. Thank you very much.